Hello guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to do a haul of stuff from a thrift store called Play-Doh. First up, okay, I'm going to move you guys back a little bit so you can actually see better. Ah! Okay, you know what? I'm just going to zoom the camera out. Okay, that's as far as it goes. Okay, then fine. I'll sit further back. This kind of like gothic belt. Here it is. Top for my sister. Top for me. Okay. Now this dress is not, it's something, if it's on a hanger, it does not look good. But it's like this white dress, but it looks much, much better on. It's just one of those. And another velvet, kind of like black dress. Yes, I love velvet dresses, and I wear them anytime we go to a fanciest restaurant. These are my go-to. Alright, well that will be all for this video. See you guys next time. Bye.